Good late evening, everyone. So earlier we were over on 101s talking about some monkeys that escaped, and I decided to look into it. And what do you know? It's talking about Pennsylvania again. Okay, so um, all right, let's get to sharing my screen real quick. Okay, monkeys escaped after truck carrying 100 animals to a lab crashes in the U.S. Police say they are searching for at least 3 escaped monkeys believed to be on the loose near Danville, Pennsylvania. Where was this truck coming from, and where is this truck? Was this truck going? And how did it crash? Crates holding live monkeys litter the side of the road near Danville after the crash, in which some escaped on Friday. Yeah, police in Pennsylvania are searching for at least 3 monkeys that have escaped after a truck carrying about 100 of the animals was involved in a crash. The truck carrying the monkeys collided with a dump truck on Friday afternoon in Montour County, Pennsylvania. State Police Trooper Andrea Pelichik told the Daily Item. Local news outlet WNEP said the crash happened along Route 54 just off the Interstate 80 near Danville. Okay, so the truck had been on its way to a laboratory, Pelichik said. What laboratory in Pennsylvania, I wonder? I'll let you guys guess that one on your own. WNE said 4 monkeys were on the loose. Okay, so was it 3? Or was it 4? Just pointing that out. So, with authorities using the helicopter in the search, it was not known what type of monkey were on the truck, but police released photograph of them in the tree. Investigators shared the photo showing one of the monkeys that escaped from the truck after a wreck off I-90 this afternoon. Troopers and the game wardens are still trying to catch 4 monkeys, including this one. What kind of monkey does that look like? Now, I don't know the type, but I can tell you this particular monkey are quite adorable the way they sit. And I'm going to show you something real quick. Oh, let me make me bigger. I saw one of those monkeys playing with my middle daughter one time at a place that we used to go to a lot. And we pretty much had free range to go wherever we wanted at this place because of people we knew. And this little monkey that looked exactly like this little guy here used to go. And then he would giggle at my daughter when she would giggle. So he would interact with her. So that being said, these babies should not be in labs. Okay? All right. So, back to the article. There's a video. I'm going to guess and say that's the I-80. Now, it's pretty cold here, and we are not only but a few hours to 5 hours or so, a little over maybe, to certain parts of Pennsylvania. Some parts might be closer. So, yeah, I don't know what this all is on the bottom here, but that has nothing to do with what we just read. Some of you might be thinking, geez, like, what's up with you and the animals lately? Well, several months ago, I asked many of you to watch the animals. And I meant that in a broad, wide spectrum. And yes, I meant close, around your neighborhood, your state, your home, your town, your city, whichever. There's a lot going on as of late with animals. I'm going to bring up something else that I was going to do a video on, but I'm just going to show this right here due to the fact that stuff is getting really weird, okay? Like really weird. I have this in my email, so if you would just give me a moment, please. Thank you for your patience. There is, I might have a better luck just instead of going through everything, I email to myself. Okay, let me send this fresh to my email so that way I can pull it up on the screen. Wait till y'all see this. This is really weird. All right, I'm gonna be right back here. I'm still here, just getting on another page here. Okay, bring this one up. Click that. Click out of here. Okay, so we are going to wait until y'all see this. Y'all remember the game Hungry Hungry Hippos, right? I hope so. Okay. My daughter came over today to help me with some stuff. So I'm a little late as usual on getting things. Hungry Hippo feeds on an elephant carcass despite being herbivores, with one of the salivating beasts seen tucking in the trunk in Botswana. I showed this the other night on another live stream, and someone made the joke that the hippo was just trying to blow the elephant up. Okay, well, just kind of had to tell that here. I think that was Craig the Hunter on Prepping 101s when I showed this. So if we go to read more, I'll make sure that did that show up? No. All right. Well, it didn't show up, so I'm still here on the other screen, and I'll be reading from that screen while you all look at the picture. All right. So they're actually a group of hippos eating upon this carcass of this elephant. And it is not unusual for hippos to eat meat. However, eating an elephant is kind of rather odd. Look it up, do your own research. I mean, no one can stop a hippopotamus, so I imagine a whole group of them would also be hard, but they are known herbivores. But the stomach of an elephant is like 70% undigested vegetables. So, but that still gives them no reason while they're eating the rest of this weird part of the carcass. What is going on, in Botswana? So, the trunk of the elephant, let's see, the hippo started to catch and release the trunk of the elephant before it finally kept it in his mouth and began to chew it. So that has nothing to do with the stomach of digested things. I'm really glad I didn't show this other screen, because this other screen, it actually shows too much. And I'm not comfortable with showing all these pictures of hippos. I will, however, copy it, and I can show you guys that in the description of this video. I don't know. We all know something ain't right. Okay? I want you guys also to go over and watch a channel called Texas Red Lake. He's a really good man. He's very, very smart. He's a thinker. He's a God-fearing man. He's a God-loving man. He has a family. He's very, very interesting. Very, very smart. He'll always get you thinking. You'll always learn something. So that being said, please go over and check out his channel, and he'll get you thinking on some of the other odd things that are happening around the world and in our country of United States of America. God bless you all. Have a good night.